In Jaws, when we know there's something happening and people are scared, and the reveal of the fact that there's been a shark attack happens over this phone call, right? Like he's on a phone call and he's typing, and there's a typewriter, and suddenly he says, so that, and then he types, and you see on the typewriter, like on that paper in the typewriter, shark attack. And that's the first time you realize that's like the main plot point now of the film. And it gets revealed through someone just typing it. It's a silent thing. It's not like somebody screaming and saying, hey, shark ne attack kar liya. It's not that, which would also have been very easy to do. I was recently watching Catch Me If You Can. I had also mentioned over there, he's sitting at the bar, it's Christmas, and he spent enough time. And he spent enough time through the rings that have been made with his drink, and he's playing with the straw. So you see the condensation on the bar, and that's how you know for how long he's been there. Mom has told me that close-ups it is one of the most powerful tools that we have in cinema. Spielberg does it so beautifully. There's one shot in Terminal when, for the first time after all the chaos, Tom Hanks realizes that his country is no more. Till then, people have told him. He went also to meet, but they spoke in English, and he could not understand what they were saying. And they had that entire scene with the chips and everything, and he's clueless. Finally, he goes on the television. He sees, and there's this close up of his eyes. Yeah, like, and your heart just breaks. Close up in E.T. with the child. There are these beautiful close ups.